Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. And to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have my Stitchfix for the month of December and we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what they sent me. But before I do, for those of you who don't know what Stitchfix is, I made a quick 3-minute little video to give you all the basic details of how it works. I will leave the link right here, and also I will leave it all in the description box down below. But it's pretty simple. You get 5 pieces of clothing sent to your house. You get to try everything on. There is a styling fee of $20 or $25. And anything you keep, your styling fee gets subtracted off of that. That's basically it. Now, here is the way it looks. It's free shipping both ways too. Now, here's the way it looks when you open it. And here is my bundle. And it looks like a lot of dark colors. Yay, good. And we have a note here from, I think this is my stylist note, yes. And you'll get a card with all the items on here and some ideas of how to style each outfit that she sends you. And today my stylist is Catherine, and I don't think I've ever had Catherine. And she says, "Hey Sheila, happy holidays. Are you getting to enjoy all the sights and sounds of the season in the Youngstown right now? It is great to see that you had a chance to check out your preview fix and select some of the items to your winter wardrobe." And that is something Stitchfix has recently started doing. They send you a preview now, and I think they sent me like 10 items to preview in the email, and I got to check 5 of them that I would like to try. So that's something brand new to Stitchfix. I think the black relaxed skinny jeans by Studio Blue you're going to love for the holiday season, but also for the days you just need to run errands or head to a casual lunch. The Lush split neck blouse you added to your fix will be cute with your new jeans. Then you have to try that faux leather dark purple jacket. And yes, I remember that. I have high hopes for this jacket, guys. So how does that jacket look on? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Switch out the top for the burgundy leopard. Burgundy leopard, yes. Hey, Kayla. Print high-low blouse by West Key for something a little different on top. What do you think of everything in your fix today? XO Catherine. So let's see how Catherine did. Now, like I said, anything I don't want, I simply put back in my return mailer. It's free shipping to send it back. I have 3 days to try everything on. But if I needed extra time, you can just go on the Stitchfix website and request longer time. So that's a nice feature that they have too. Okay, and this is the envelope here, and this is the price sheet with everything on here. I have no more credits, but everything in here is $292. They have a buy all discount where you get 25% off if you keep everything, which would take $73 off. So if I liked everything in this box, it would cost me $219. So let me put that off on the side, and we're gonna go ahead and open it and see all these lovely items that they sent. And here is the West Key blouse that she was talking about in the note. The animal print with the high-low. And what is the information on this? West Key Allen surplus tie sleeve high-low burgundy for $44. I like the price. It has potential. I love West Key blouses quite a lot, and it's very lightweight. So we will see how that looks on. And then we have another burgundy top, a solid burgundy top. And this is also a high-low, and this is by the company Lush. And this was the Warren split neck blouse. They're calling it purple, but okay. $44 too, so another great price. And then the third top is this all black one, which this looks better than I thought it would. See, sometimes you don't see all the details in the preview. But this is by 41 Hawthorn, and this is the Tarla Lattice detail button top for $68. Yeah, But yeah, it has a pocket right here in the front. And I don't know if this is picking up, but can you see the lattice detail in the button or in the pocket right here on the top? And on the back, when I immediately held it up, it has a lattice work in the back. So I like that. It is a high-low. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it feels like more of a dressy black, if there's such a thing. Yeah, it feels like a dressy black shirt. So I like it. I just don't like the $68 price. Okay, here are the blue jeans that she was talking about, the black jeans. And let's see, this is by Studio Blue. And these are the Casey Relaxed Skinny Jeans for $58. So they're not a solid black jean. They're more like, almost like a washed out black, like maybe even a dark gray shade to me. Pockets in the front, zippers, your basic black jeans. They look like a good length, and you can unroll them if I should need to, so we will try those on. So we have 3 tops, 1 pair of jeans, and then this one. Ooh, I'm super excited about this one, guys. Ooh, it feels good for a faux leather. Ooh. This is the, wait, who is this? Okay, this is Mocha Ebel faux leather jacket in dark purple for $78. Ooh, I don't know. I don't have a jacket like this. Mokai. There's the name of the company. I've never heard of this jacket before. And it looks lovely. It has a zipper detail right here at the arm. It doesn't do anything really. It'll give you a little bit of extra room if you need it. On the underside, it's the faux leather on this part of the arm, but then on the underside, it has a stretch knit. So it's going to give a lot of, if you wear a thick jacket or something with it, it'll give you a lot of good stretch. It looks like it has this princess seaming going down the front. I think this has a lot of possibilities. So I hope it looks as good on as it looks as I'm holding it up. Okay, so we have 3 shirts, 1 pair of jeans in this. So I will be back with probably the first 3 items out of the box. We'll have this jacket, the jeans, and 1 of the shirts. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I have the first 3 items on, and this box is looking pretty good for having 3 of the items on already out of the 5. So we're going to start with this faux leather jacket, which I truly love this jacket. I'm just going to say the only negative thing about it that I can find is the arms. The arms are a little bit too long, as you can see. They come down to like my knuckles. So that's the only downside. And because of the zipper right here, you can't really, it doesn't lend well to folding up. You can though. It doesn't. Yeah, I guess you could fold it up if I have to. But this is super soft. It feels nice. It has a lot of stretch. Like I said, it has the knitting material right here on the bottom of the arm. So if you wear a thick sweater or something with it, it gives you a lot of stretch. Right here on the sides, as you can see, it has that same stretch knitting. It has just this lovely princess seaming that like pulls you in. So I like this. I don't have any kind of motorcycle jacket that has this kind of collar. Most of mine are that kind where it's like the side zip and then it goes this way. So it's not a bad start. I kind of really like it. I'm going to have to think about this, and I love the color. Okay, so let me start with the shirt next. And I really like this shirt too, guys. And this was not a bad price on this shirt at all. This was the West Key animal print top, and it has these cute little bows right here that tie at the arm. It does have the faux wrap. It is sewed right here, so you don't have to worry about it opening up. I love the neckline on it. I love the pattern, and I love the color. It's a very beautiful winter shirt, and it goes down a little bit longer in the back. So the jacket and the shirt I'm really loving. So I'm going to have some tough decisions. Okay, so now I'm going to step back and show you the relaxed fit jeans. They're nice. They're lovely. I have nothing negative to say about them. Besides, I already own some jeans very, very similar to these, but excellent jeans and excellent price for $58. They're a relaxed fit. They fit me very nice. No problems. 2 pockets right here. But unless it ends up being a 5 for $5, I'm probably going to send these jeans back because I already have jeans so similar to these. Okay guys, so good start. I got 2 more blouses. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the 4th item out, and this was the Lush split neck top. I believe $44. Beautiful color. I really love this color. This is absolutely my favorite color. They are calling this purple, but I see wine burgundy. It's a lovely blouse. The only thing I don't like about it are these roll tab sleeves, which I don't mind, but these are sewed shut. So unless this ended up being a 5 for $5, I'm probably not going to keep this. It's lovely, nothing wrong with it, but unless it's a 5 for $5, it's nothing special, and I have blouses very similar to this one already. Okay, so I have that one last black blouse to try on, and I'll be right back. Here's the last blouse out, and this was the black one for $68. Now, this was the one with the lattice work, and I did not even show you this, guys, when I unboxed it. It does have lattice work also right here at the wrist area, which is really lovely. And in the back, it has the lattice work going in the back. But I don't like this shirt because it's grabbing me right around here. So I don't like that every time I move, it like grabs right in there. So this is not going to be a 5 for $5. So this shirt and the jeans are going to be a no for me. But these other 3 items were pretty awesome, guys. I got this frame. This leather jacket, faux leather jacket, I really loved. I love the color. And I don't have a jacket with this kind of design. Like I said, mine are more the moto style, where it's like the asymmetrical zipper. So I really appreciated this. And I really like this top too. And I like this top too more than I thought. I looked back at the video and I was like, oh, it's okay. And I have tops similar, but to be fair, I have tops similar to this one too. So I don't know. I'm going to have some tough choices between these 3. Right now, I can honestly tell you, I don't know what I'm going to pick. It is Christmas time, so I have to be smart, and I don't know. I probably, my instinct is saying to keep the jacket and keep the animal print top. Those are what my heart's saying, but I'm going to look back at the footage some more and listen to you guys and see what you guys think. And I'll probably extend the checkout date so I can hear what you guys think too. So that'll probably help me decide too. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are getting ready for Christmas. It's almost here. Yes, it's going to be Christmas soon. And I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays as much as we can during this time. I know a lot of us can't get together with our family as much. I know we're going to keep it really small at our house. It's just going to be my daughter and her husband. So we're going to have a very small gathering. It's just going to be us 4 little people here in our house. We're not going to family and friends this year. So, you know, hopefully next year everything will be back to normal and we can all go celebrate and have a good time again. But okay, I don't want to end this note on a sour, or end this video on a sour note. I hope you guys are having a good day, and please let me know out of these 3, the jacket, the animal print, and this one, which are your top 2. Help me out. Okay, until next time, I'll see you later, guys. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.